We'll practice straight line depreciation. Here's the problem. A $24,000 car depreciates by 15% of its original value each year using straight line depreciation. Part A. Find its value after 1, 2, and 3 years. Part B. After how many years does this model give zero? First, find the annual loss, 15% of $24,000. 0.15 times 24,000 equals $3,600. Now subtract that loss from the original value for each year. After 1 year, 24,000 minus 3,600 equals $20,400. After 2 years, 24,000 minus 2 times 3,600 equals 24,000 minus 7,200 equals $16,800. After 3 years, 24,000 minus 3 times 3,600 equals 24,000 minus 10,800 equals $13,200. For part B, set the value formula to 0 and solve for t. 24,000 minus 3,600 t equals 0. Add 3,600t to both sides. 3,600t equals 24,000. Divide both sides by 3,600. T equals 24,000 divided by 3,600, which is 6.666 repeating. So the car is worth $0 after about 6.67 years, or 6 years and 8 months. For straight line depreciation, subtract the same fixed amount each year.